So I get this question a lot. Dr. Faye, what do you do to stay motivated? And on this video, we're gonna be going over it. So the first thing that I do is my affirmations. I do my affirmations in the morning, right before I start anything, to remind me what I wanna achieve on that day, to give me energy, and to keep my mindset solid and strong. Number two, go to the gym. Go to the gym at least 4 times out of the week. That keeps your health how it's supposed to be. It gets your mindset right. And if your mindset is right, you're gonna be able to move. You're gonna be able to have more ideas, better, clear ideas. Anything that you desire by you working out is gonna keep you in shape. And that's very important in your life. Number 3, and it's one of the big ones, your journal. You wanna make sure that you write down your goals. You set yourself ahead of time. And how you do that is by you writing down the goals that you got for the week, the goals that you got for the day. Doesn't matter as long as you write them down, because by you writing them down, you're actually remembering what you wrote down in your mind. And by you doing that, you're most likely gonna be able to get them done than just thinking that you gotta get it done and you might forget. So that's why it's very important for you to write down things on your notebook. It doesn't even have to be that notebook. It can be a smaller one, but as long as you write them down and you stay consistent with it, that'll set you ahead. Number 4, so this one entices to working out. It's your eating. You become what you eat. I'm sure you heard of that. Or you are what you eat. I've seen it in commercials, right? So it is very important for you to eat as better food as you can, not the franchises. I'm sorry, that's nothing against you. You guys are just trying to make money, and that's okay. We all are, right? But when it comes to food, you want to get as fresh food and as organic food as you can in your system, because that's going to allow you to help your body move the way it's supposed to be. One thing that I heard at a mastermind was, let's say you have a Ferrari. Are you going to put the 87 on it? No, you're going to put the best gasoline that you can, right? Look at your body as your Ferrari. Number 5, planning out your day. So I'm going to talk in depth why it's important to plan out your day, especially writing it down on your notebook, on a board, anywhere that you can. So the reason why it's important for you to write down and plan out your day is so you know what to do, one thing after the other, rather than being all scrambled up and do one thing that you could have done 2 things at once in one trip if you need to go somewhere, and save time and have a smooth day. Number 6, goals. Why are goals so important? So goals are not, taking out the trash. My goal for today will be taking out the trash. No, that's not a goal, man. That's a task that you got to do throughout your day. So a goal would be short-term goal, mid-term goal, and long-term goals. So you still have to do those 3, right? Because the third goals, which is the long-term goals, is gonna help you and push you to start off with the short-term goals. Then the short-term goals are gonna push you to do and finish the mid-term goals to get you to the long-term goals, because that's the ultimate goal. And by you having goals, writing down your goals also on your notebook, somewhere, wherever it is important for you to see them. That's the important thing, for you to see your goals, reach your goals, so you continue to stay consistent and active and pushing yourself, motivating yourself to achieve those goals. Number 7, people that I look up to. So one of the people that I look up to is Gary Vee. You might have heard of him, you might not, but he's all over the internet. And one thing that I like about him, and I want to do something like him, if I can, I want to be just like him, right? But in my own career, in my own persona, right? So the thing that he does, he shares knowledge, information to help other people. And by me being able to do that, that's gonna make me happy. Whoever you look up to, if that person makes you happy, if you were just like them, you're doing the right thing, or you're looking up for the right person. Number 8, self-improvement. So why is self-improvement important? So if I'm not valuable, if I don't grow, how am I gonna be able to help other people? How are other people wanna network with me if I'm not self-improved, right? From a year ago to 5 years ago, I need to make sure that I stay improving in myself. That means with my network, because your network is your net worth. So the more you grow, the more the surroundings, your relationships, your network is gonna grow. And then if you could stay growing, your net worth is gonna stay growing. Number 9, management. So management is picking the things that are helping you improve your life, helping you improve your income. So one of the things are, what is it that you're doing that's helping you make more money? Are you learning? Are you reading things? Or are you playing video games? If you're playing video games, is it making you money? No. How many hours are you spending a week playing video games? At the hours that you're spending playing video games that are setting you back instead of pushing you forward to make more money, so then in the near future you have extra time to be able to play your video games. If it's not making you money right now, and it's not just video games, you know, it can be TV series, it can be at times even sports. Focus on the things that are going to help you improve your life, your health, and your income. Number 10, your surroundings. So who's in your circle that's helping you grow? Who's in your circle that's helping you make more money? Who's in your circle that's pushing you to be better? If you don't have a circle like that, man, you need to get one right now, today, right? So if you can't think of anybody, don't worry about it. Remember that saying, if you're around 5 millionaires, you'll become the sixth one. So that's the type of circle that you're looking for. If that circle that you got, some of them are lazy, are unmotivated, and you feel that energy, you feel that vibe, stay away from that, man. I mean, if they don't want to be your friends, are they helping you already? No. So change your circle, man. Do it for yourself. Do it for your family. Do it for those loved ones in your life. Number 11, money. So let's tap into money, right? So what I mean by that is like, what money are you spending on the right things? What are right things and what are not? So some of these things are memberships that you might have, that you might use, that you might not use. Like, are they really worth it for you to continue paying them monthly, right? I mean, they might not seem like a lot, but guess what? At the end of the year, they add up. And that money you could have used on something that you might have invested to create and generate you more money that was gonna set you maybe a year ahead of time, right? That was just one way of me expressing that, right? So I got another notebook. I mean, you can use it on the same one if you want. If not, I like to stay organized, and I like to do my weekly and monthly expenses, and also what are my things that I enjoy, because we also have to have pleasure, right? And if not, why are we working the way we're pushing ourselves to make more money for, right? We also got to have things that we like and enjoy to make our mindset and ourselves feel at peace. Number 12, have fun. So what do I mean by that? So having fun is going out on a date with your lady, you know, treating herself and treating yourself. If you make her happy, guess what? She's gonna make you happy, right? That's one way. Another thing is another one, playing basketball. So I love playing basketball. It's great exercise and great cardio. What I mean by these things, you know, having fun is like, you have to enjoy yourself. Whatever it is that you're doing, you have to enjoy yourself. Give yourself self-love. In other words, you know, love yourself. It's gonna repay you way more than what you can expect. At times, if you stay working and working and working and not have fun, man, you're gonna eventually burn out. You're not gonna think properly. You're not gonna be happy, and you're gonna affect the others around you. So it's very important for you to have fun. Do things that you enjoy. Do things that you love doing. You know, treat yourself. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please, if you got a comment, drop it down below. I'll respond to you as soon as I can. And don't forget to subscribe, like, please show me some support. Follow me on Instagram, Dr. Fade Official, and we'll catch you on the next one. Have a great day. Peace.